Stockman from Cool Dental. Patients are often afraid or fearful of having a root canal done. Most of the reason for that, in the olden days, the freezing wasn't very good. And so if you're not frozen properly, getting a root canal done is exceedingly painful. And that's the reason why Hollywood and the media have you believe root canals are the worst thing on earth. These days, thankfully, the freezing is far much improved. Okay, there's many techniques. Oh, doc has never been able to get me frozen. Yes, we can get you frozen these days. If traditional freezing doesn't seem to work for you or you have problems, we have different techniques to get you frozen. If you're very scared and fearful, we can use sedation to help keep you calm. But a root canal, once you're frozen, a root canal is no more difficult than having a filling done. A root canal may take longer. The best way to get a root canal done, or the most successful way to get a root canal done, is to take your time and clean out the tooth properly. If you rush the procedure and you get it done really quick, that's not a good sign. Chances are the dentist didn't clean out the tooth properly, didn't sterilize it properly. There may still be infection inside the tooth. To get a root canal done properly takes time. Some of the medications we use, you have to let them work for 30 minutes for them to properly clean and sterilize the tooth. So here at our office, we use 3 different types of ways to sterilize. One agent takes about 30 minutes, and you have to agitate it and stir it around, make sure everything's getting clean and sterile. Another agent we use helps to dissolve any particles that may be embedded in the sides of the tooth. And then the third agent we use is something called ozone gas, where we actually flood the tooth with a disinfectant gas to make sure all of those bacteria are dead and removed. If the root canal is sterilized properly, the procedures are very successful. Netflix has some root gauze documentary where they make it sound like root canals are the devil and they're the cause of every kind of disease you can think of on the face of the earth. That's just simply not true. Root canals, if done properly, are extremely successful. They can last a very long time, and quite honestly, they're the only way to save many teeth. Root canals are only done when a tooth cannot be saved any other way. So maybe the tooth is badly broken down, there's large decay, or there's large infection. In that situation, if you don't get a root canal done, your only option is extraction. And if you have to get the tooth extracted, fine. Now you're looking at either an implant or a bridge or even a denture, and those are not necessarily the best options. Saving your tooth is almost always the best option. So think about your options, think about your choices, and basically don't be afraid about root canals. Learn about them. If you have questions, come in for a consultation. Let's talk about it. Let's try to allay some of your fears and make this a more pleasant process for you. Thanks.